Everyone at some point in their life gets stuck while introducing themselves to strangers, whether casually or professionally. And the sad part is, most people don't even realize that their introduction is the reason they don't get remembered. I promise you, after watching this video, you will be confident with your introduction and people will actually enjoy talking to you. When we meet new people in class, job interviews, office, social gatherings, or online, the first impression is made in the first 30 seconds. And this impression usually depends on how we introduce ourselves. A simple introduction can build confidence, start conversations, and open opportunities. So let's learn the easiest and most effective way to introduce yourself in English. You don't need difficult vocabulary, you just need the right structure. The first step of a perfect introduction is your greeting. A greeting makes the other person comfortable and shows basic manners. You can say hi or hello, or even good morning or good evening, depending upon the time. If you want to sound friendly, add a short phrase like nice to meet you or it's good to be here. This shows confidence right from the beginning. For example, hi, good morning, nice to meet you. After the greeting, share your name clearly. Instead of just saying my name is, try one or two better ways like I am, or you can call me, or I go by. It sounds more natural and relaxed. If a name is difficult to pronounce for others, you can add most people call me and give an easier version. This removes awkwardness and makes conversation smoother. For example, I'm Rahul, but you can call me Ray. Next comes your place, where you live. Don't only say the city name. Add one or more details so the listener can remember you. For example, instead of saying I am from Mumbai, you can say I am from Mumbai, a city famous for Bollywood and beaches. Or I am from Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. This gives personality to your introduction and helps the listener create a connection. For example, I am from Pune, a city known for its beautiful weather and educational culture. The next part is your current role. If you are a student, say what you are studying. If you are working, briefly mention your job. If you are searching for a job, say what you are focused on. And if you have recently completed education, mention your skills. This makes your introduction meaningful and professional. Avoid long explanations, keep it short and clear. For example, right now I'm in my final year of BCom and I'm learning digital marketing. After roles and work, talk about your interest or passions. This is the most powerful section because it shows who you are as a person. You can talk about hobbies like reading, fitness, music, or photography, or interests like public speaking, traveling, cooking, and content creation. When you share your likes, people instantly feel more connected to you. Just remember, don't list too many things. Pick one or two main interests. For example, I'm passionate about fitness and creating motivational videos because I love inspiring people. Next, add a goal. People respect those who have direction in life. You can talk about your short term or long term goals. For students or beginners, goals can be simple: improving English, becoming confident, learning a new skill, or growing a career. Goals show ambition and clarity. For example, My current goal is to become confident in English and find a good internship in marketing. After that, if the situation is normal, add a sentence about why you are here today. For example, if it is an interview, say you are excited to learn more about the role. If it is a speaking class, say you are here to improve communication. If it is a new environment or batch, say you are looking forward to learning and growing with others. For example, I'm here today to learn and grow with all of you and make the most of this opportunity. Finally, end your introduction with a polite closing line. It could be something like, "Thank you for listening. I'm happy to be here," or "I look forward to connecting with you." A closing line creates a complete and professional finish instead of an abrupt stop. Let's quickly revise the full structure. First, greeting, then name, then place. Then comes current role, your study or work. Then comes your interest or passions. Then goals. Then purpose of being here. It is optional. And then closing line. Now, I will give you a sample introduction that combines everything we learned. You can copy this format and later customize it according to your life. Good morning. My name is Rahul, but you can call me Ray. I'm from Pune, a city known for its beautiful weather and education culture. Right now, I'm in my final year of BCom and I'm learning digital marketing. I'm really passionate about fitness and creating motivational videos because I love inspiring people to improve their lives. My current goal is to become confident in English and find a good internship in marketing. I'm here today to learn new things and connect with you. Thank you so much for your time. If you practice this structure again and again, your introduction will feel natural and confident in every situation. Remember, English is not about speaking fast. English is about speaking clearly. So speak slowly, smile, and believe in yourself. Confidence is not built in one day, but every time you introduce yourself, you take one step forward toward confidence. Thank you so much. Until keep learning.